Good morning, student. We are studying articles in English. Last day we have studied how to use a and an, and today we are going to study use of the. The is specific, that is definite article in English. As last day we have studied, there are two kinds of articles. First, that is definite article, and second one is indefinite article. Definite article is the, and we are going to learn how to use the article in English. That is use of the. There are almost 14 points are there. With the help of that point, we are going to learn how to use the article in English. The first is unique things. Unique things in the world, which we can't compare to each other. It has got unique things. We can take example: the sky, the moon, the earth. Such type of examples are there that we cannot compare with others. The such things are unique in this world or universe, and such things under unique things. Before unique things, we must use the article, as like the sky, the moon, the earth. Such type of examples are there. We can use seven wonders are also under the unique things, that we can say the wall of China, the Taj Mahal. Such type of examples. Then before superlative degree, we have learned degrees in English, that is positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. If there is superlative degree, then we must use the article before that superlative degree, as like the richest, the poorest, the biggest, the longest, the most beautiful, the most difficult. Such type of examples are there. We can find out many examples. You can find out many examples by using dictionary or grammar book. Before superlative degree, we have to use the article. We have to think only use of the. Now we don't think about a and an. Already last day we have studied how to use a and the in English, and today we have to concentrate only on use of the, as we are studying. First we have studied here unique things. Now we are studying superlative. Superlative degree. If there is superlative degree, then we have to use the article before that superlative degree. As I told, provided examples such type of the richest, the poorest, the biggest, the longest, the highest. Such type of example. The most beautiful, the most difficult, most important. Before ordinals. My dear friend, ordinal and cardinal is different one. You know very well that what is means by ordinal. If there is particular, such type of, as like the first, the second, the third, the fourth, such type of ordinals are there. And if there is ordinals, then we have to use the article. That is, we can't say that first, second, third, the first, the second, the third, the fourth. And cardinals, as like simple numbers are there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 are 3, 4, 5. It has called cardinals. And the first, the second, the third, the fourth, it has called ordinals. If there is ordinals number, then we have to use the article. Okay. Then number 4, spiritual books. Spiritual books. We don't want to consider such our textbooks under spiritual books. Spiritual books are a different one. As like the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Bible, such type of holy books, that is spiritual books are there. And before that, we must use the article. As like you remember the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Vedas, such type of the Quran, the Bible, etc. Proper noun qualified by adjective. We must understand what is meant by proper noun. If there is particular name of the person, then we can't. But the particular name qualified by the adjectives, such type of the well-known philosopher Swami Vivekananda, the well-known philosopher, Indian philosopher Swami Vivekananda, the great Shivaji, the great Mahatma Gandhi. Such type of great and well-known such type of words we have used here as an adjective, so we can use the. So before the great King Shivaji Maharaj, the well-known philosopher Vivekananda, such type of adjectives are there, and before that we must use the article. Then musical instruments. If there are musical instruments, then we must use the article, as like flute, veena, sitar, violin, such type of piano, whatever will be there. If there is any kind of instrument, musical instrument, then we must use the article. I told you, the veena, the sitar, the flute, the violin, such type of musical instruments will be there. The harmonium. Trains, ships and aeroplanes are there. Trains, name of the train. Name of the train. Name of the train, the Mahalakshmi. The Mahalakshmi Express, the Sahyadri Express, the Koyna Express, the Shatabdi Express, Rani Channama Express. We can't say without the Mahalakshmi Express, the Koyna Express, the Rani Channama Express, such type of name of trains are there, and before that we must use the article. Ships also, name of the ship, INS Virat, the Vikrant, such type of ships are there, and we must. The Kingfisher, name of airplanes, Indian Airlines, the Indian Airlines, the Kingfisher. We have to use the before name of aeroplanes. We can't say Kingfisher. We will get different meaning. So we have to use here the Kingfisher, the Indian Airlines. Nationalities. If I am Indian, the India, before any country we can't use the article. If you are if you consider any name of any country, we can't use the article before that. But as we are saying that the Indian, as community, people in that country, then we can use the article before that. The Indian, the British, the French, such type of articles we can use here. Communities, you know very well. Communities, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. No. We have to use before the. We must use before the article. The Hindu, the Muslim, the Sikh, the Isai, the Yahudi, the Parsi. Such type of communities are there, and before that community we must use the article. Then historical events. Before any kind of historical events is there, then the French Revolution, the Green Revolution, the French Revolution, the Green Revolution, such type of we can use the article before historical event. The Republican Day, the Independence Day, we can use the article before historical events. Then direction you know very well. North, south, east and west. The east, the west, the south, the north. It's very simple. We have to use the article before direction. We have to use the article before direction. That is the east, the west, the south, the north. The newspaper. You can take any kind of newspaper. We have to say the Hindu, the Times of India, the Indian Express, the Sakat, the Budari, the Lokmat. We have to use the article before newspaper. As I told you, I am repeating here. The Hindu, the Indian Express, the Times of India, the Budari, the Sakat, the Lokmat. Historical buildings are also there. Such historical buildings, before we have to use the article. The Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, such type of historical buildings are there, and we have to use the before that historical buildings. Person or things mentioned second time. This is an important question point is there. We are always ready to learn we have got all these things very easily, but this part of number 14 is most important ask. Mostly question asked on this topic. Very simple,